Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to set up indicators on Webull. First, open any stock chart on the platform. Look for the indicator icon, usually represented by a small graph or FX. Clicking this will open a menu where you can begin selecting and configuring your desired technical analysis tools. This process is straightforward and enhances your trading view. Once the indicator menu is open, you'll see a list of popular options like moving averages, RSI, and MACD. Simply tap on an indicator to add it to your chart. To customize, tap the gear icon next to its name. Here, you can change settings such as the period, source, and even the color of the lines, making your chart easier to read. Webull allows you to save your favorite indicator setups as templates. After arranging your indicators, look for the Save Layout option within the indicator menu. Give your layout a descriptive name, and it will be available for future use. This feature is incredibly useful for quickly switching between different analytical perspectives without re-adding each indicator individually. For more advanced analysis, try combining several indicators that complement each other, like a volume indicator with a momentum oscillator. Also, experiment with different timeframes from 1-minute charts to daily charts to gain a broader understanding of price action. Remember, indicators are tools to aid your decisions, not guarantees. And hey, if you're looking for other great deals, check the description for links, including one for Little Tree's Black Ice to keep your ride fresh.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.